Yeah, so the next thing to do will be to put the controller on top and what's up, people? What's up? Happy 2024. Today is December 30th. I'm here at home resting. I'm actually enjoying some few days off, and I'm excited to show you our setup for 2024. So with that said, first off, I want to thank all the new subscribers for this year. We want to try to keep this channel growing and see what we have for next year for 2024. I want to wish you guys all good luck for next year. But with that said, I'm excited to show you guys what I just got right now. What do you guys see right here? What do you guys see right here? So yes, I ordered a DJ booth. I always like this design. I ended up ordering this one. So I'm excited. We're gonna put it together and let me show you guys what I got right here. So everything is gonna go in the back of the booth. Right now, as you guys can see, so pretty much plain slate for me to put whatever I want on it. So I ordered one for my SX3. We're gonna go ahead and put that there. Comes with a plug so that we can put in your outlets, like your strip, your power strip. Down at the bottom here, I'm gonna put a rack. I also asked for the shelf drawer so I can put mics and stuff. It does come with and also a Powercon to power up everything here. There's some holes here so I can put in the XLRs left and right. But I want to show you here everything that I have ready and what I'll be doing. So I'll be taking my microphones out of my mic rack. I already cut this one because this is a full rack, a 19-inch rack, and I ordered a half rack over here. So I already cut this one to fit. It was so hard for me to get one online to find the right size. So I ended up cutting this one. I'll be using this one until I get the other one. I still gotta make a few more holes. I have ordered another one, but it was not the right size, so I gotta return that one. It was a little bit too small. I have a few more things that I'm gonna put in there, like this is the rack for the microphones. What else do I have in here? Yes, let's check it out. So we have some wide USB cables for the laptop to the controller. Some screws there for the rack. So this is the one that I ordered. It's a little bit too small for the space right there. That's like an 11-inch rack. This is like 9 inches. So it's a little bit smaller. That's why I had to cut this one to put the antennas for the microphone. So again, I'll be taking this one out of here, putting those microphones here, putting them over there. What else do we have here? This is gonna be down at the bottom to connect the XLRs output. This one will be at the top, same thing. XLRs for the controller. I got some other screws in here. What else do I have in here that I decided to put together? So I have a power conditioner, and this is the half rack power conditioner. I already opened it. I was just checking it out, but this is that I'll be using. And most likely we're gonna be selling the Furman full rack power conditioner. So if anyone is interested, let me know. That's the M8x2, I think that's what it's called. So let me turn the camera around. Actually, the booth. We're gonna get everything put together right here. And I'll get the controller. The controller, I have it on my Odyssey case. We're gonna be taking that one out of there. And we're gonna be putting it on here. So with that said, let's get this party started and let's get everything loaded up on the rack right there. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is put the racks. I already pre-drilled some holes here. They're already there. I just kind of made them enough where I'm gonna be putting the rack. So I have them in here. And like I was saying on the previous video, It already comes with Powercon. We're gonna send the signal from here, from this one to the power conditioner. From the power conditioner, we're gonna send another power strip, power cord up to the top, where the top will be right here sitting. All right, so now we have rack mounted on there. We're gonna get power conditioner, the microphones, and of course start wiring everything up. So before I forget, make sure if you guys are interested in ordering one of these booths, I'm gonna put the link, not the link, but the Instagram right here at the bottom, so that way you guys can follow Ed Booths, EDE Booths, so that way if you guys want to order one as soon as you can, because it does take a little bit of time to get them since they're handmade. And he's also one of the local DJs. He also DJs, so he's a pretty busy guy. So if you guys want to order one, put your order in. The sooner the better. It does take a little bit of time to be made, because again, they're handmade, and he is pretty backed up on orders. So shout out to Ed. And again, I'll put his Instagram if you guys want to add him and order your booth. He does have different styles, different size on the bottom part if you want the bigger rack, the full rack, or this is a half rack. One thing that I just noticed right now, I took out one of the microphones, and the other one that I had linked already with two of them, it had one of the ears, right? And it was linked with the other one. This one is a little bit short with the ears, so I need to order another mounting ear to make it fit right there. So that's something that I have to order, and hopefully it's the right size. As you guys can see on this other one, this one has two already, and it fits perfectly. So this is the top of the, I guess, where the controller goes. I'm not sure what the name will be, but yeah, the top of the booth. And right under it, there's the Powercon XLR in and out. And the other side, you're gonna have the controllers. Again, this is the top part of the booth. Again, I thought I had everything ready, everything pretty much ready for me to put it together, but as you guys can see, I'm missing like an ear mount right here, like a rack ear on this one too. What's up, people? What's up? So it's 3 days later. You guys can see I brought my booth here in my living room. I had to use the garage, so I brought it inside, and I had to wait to get some cables that I needed to finish putting it all together. As you guys can see, I'm going to show you right now. Pretty much it's all ready to go. I just gotta, well, it's not ready to go. I gotta put everything else that I need on here all together, but I have everything that I need to put in there so I can get this thing going. So let me show you where I'm at right now. As you guys can see right here, all these cables are new, the XLRs. We have the MGO6X mixer. Right here on the right side, we have the output that will be to the speakers. I got those short and just enough to make it down here, so about 3 foot long. And from here, as you guys remember, I only had the Powercon to plug everything in. So now I put the already for the XLR in and out, and that's connected to the mixer. The center one right here, we're using the 3 and 4 channels, and that one is also a short cable. That one's only 18 inches long, and that's the one that connects to the top, right to the top where the controller will be. As you can see, the Powercon cable, that's the one that's going to give us power to the top where the controller goes, and that one, sorry, is connected to the power conditioner. The power conditioner is getting power from right here, from the Powercon. So everything will be plugged into here to the power conditioner. We have the BLX4R for one of the microphones. SLXD is my microphone. As you guys can see also right here, I have the antennas. The reason why I haven't mounted the other one, let me show you. Where do I have it? Where do I have it at? Where did I leave it? Give me 1 second, you guys. It's up here, sorry. So, not sure if you remember in the other video, I had to cut the one that I had because the other one was for full rack, so I had to cut this one. Let me let it focus. So I cut it, I painted I cut it at work, so it's not a perfect cut, but this is going to be for the 4 antennas of the 2 microphones. And that's going to go mounted right here. So that's next. What else do I need to do that I forgot to tell you guys? Yeah, so the next thing to do will be to put the controller on top. And let me show you also what I have up here. So MacBook power there. I also, so when you buy this control, the DJ booth, it comes with power, this one. I already added a power strip where I'm going to plug everything that goes on top, which is like the power with a controller, the computer, the iPad, and maybe a couple of other things that I will put up here. So I added the cables already. This will be for the controller. And the cable that comes for the power conditioner is this big old thing right here. Let me get it on the camera. So that one comes with the power conditioner. I'm gonna have to cut that one and put one of the power ends, power connectors, Powercons. Sorry guys, Powercon right here to power this whole thing up. Sorry, a little tongue tie there. But I'm excited. So let's cut this wire, test everything, and after that we'll be putting on the controller. Alright, so we got this ready. We got the Powercon adapter to the power cord that came with the power conditioner. We're gonna test this out. Wish me luck, cross your fingers. Hopefully I don't blow up or blow up anything in there. But you guys saw me do it. I'm not an expert. I did take some electronics class in college, only 1 year. I didn't continue with it, but I know a little bit. Hopefully I did it right. Cross your fingers, wish me luck. First off, let's go right here. Let's plug it in. Where else do we go? Here. Moment of truth. And I have this tester. I'm positive I'm grounded. You can see the red and green, so I'm grounded there. And let's power up the everything there. So you see microphones are already connected, they're already powered up. Looks good. Not too bad of a job, right, for cutting and painting the little piece that goes on top. The reason why you can see better here, this one is for one of the microphones, the SLX. This one and this one will be the antennas for this one. The BLX, I'm gonna put the antenna here and the antenna on that one to kind of split them out a little bit, spread them out instead of putting them all four right here. But I'm gonna try different ways to see if I have any issues or any, to see what makes it better. So that's where right now. And again, if it doesn't work, if I feel like I'm having issues with the antennas, I will mount it and I will make a hole and put them somewhere on the sides of the booth. As you guys can see, this is what I put inside. I just gotta clean up the wires a little bit more. Right now, this is pretty much, some of the stuff is already set. Like for example, this is my DMX Go. I'm testing it out right here. It's already Velcro down. I have a power block for the MacBook Pro. It's already also taped down. It's not taped down, Velcro down. XLRs for the controller. We have the USB and the power for the MacBook. Power strip. Right here I have one more. This one I'm going to use to power up the iPad. So I gotta give me one more power little block right here for the iPad. We have another one here ready for the other laptop, ready with same thing with the USB and the power. I'm cleaning up the wires, as you guys can see. I'm kind of putting them all together. Some of them are with the little zip ties, like the little things that come with the bag ties, and some of them are like right here. So we got the signal here for the iPad, sending it to the lights. Same thing, as you guys can see, it's already attached to the bottom with some Velcro. Right here, what else do we have? So we have, I'm gonna connect this to the back of the controller. We have an auxiliary cord, because sometimes, you know, people do ask us for certain songs that we may not have, or they wanna plug in their phones. Even though most people, their phones don't have this anymore, I have the little adapter for the iPhones and another extra microphone cable. So in case, I mean, everything's gonna be running out of the mixer. I always have an auxiliary here too also, just in case. But I like to have an extra one with the wire mic. So again, we have two wire microphones, wireless microphones. The input of the mixer or the controller goes here. And this is the output to the speakers going down to the bottom. And the last thing I'll show you guys here, the microphones. Microphones are gonna go in here. SLX, BLX, antennas, extra batteries. Let's get the controller, plug everything in, and test everything out. And it's done. Wait, hold on, people, don't leave yet. Don't leave yet, the video is not over. So I just went outside right now. The mailbox had just dropped off a package. As you guys can see, I opened it. And I want to show you guys what I got in here. So hold on, give me a second. Let me take this out. Got another box. And let's open up this box, which I already did. And this is what I was waiting for. So we got, let me turn this camera around. Can you guys see right here? Yes, so that's the small short ear to be able to put the microphones. So we're gonna go ahead and take care of that right now, and pretty much the whole DJ booth build is ready. I'm excited to get this one on the next gig. Next gig, like you guys are gonna see the DJ booth, and this will be our new 2024 DJ setup. Thank you guys for watching this whole video. Make sure you guys comment, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and hit the like button, and we'll see you on the next gig log. Happy 2024. I know this video might come out a little bit after 2024. As soon as I can, I'll load it up. As you guys can see, I brought it in the garage. So let me show you here, now that I have everything ready here. So as you see, down under it, I'll plug in power to the top. And that was ready. And I grabbed the cables, which is this one, the short ones, the center ones, which are the ones that are gonna give the input, and we have the right and the left, and they go right under here. Let's see. So I'm trying to do everything with one hand and hold the camera at once too. That's in already, and second one. There you go. So now we have power to the top. The audio is connected. I can bring this out to adjust the microphones, output, the whole mixer.